Yeah, hi all. I want to share my success journey with you. My name is Gopi and I completed my B.Tech in 2015. Initially, I prepared for government service examinations, but things did not work out as planned. Later, while searching for jobs, I came across Evision and decided to join. Through Evision, I got my first opportunity as a system engineer in one of the organizations with a package of 2.4 LPA. Later, during this time, I upskilled myself by completing an Azure course, which opened more opportunities for career growth. Later, I joined Sonata as a cloud engineer. Today, I'm proud to share that I've been selected by one of the big four companies with a package of 20 LPA. This achievement was possible through continuous learning, upgrading my skills, and the constant guidance of Ganesh. Whenever I needed clarification, I would reach out to him, and his support was invaluable. If I can achieve this, you can too. All you need is the right guidance and the right resources. You even have some of the best mentors to help you to achieve your dreams, build a successful career in IT, and reach your goals.